thick one which will just retain itself in there. So you can see it runs across there, and you can actually put your finger into the channel, and that's where it goes through. On the opposite side, you will see that you've got a similar grease path across there, and what I've done is greased it quite heavily, and that will allow, when it goes back up and down, it will carry this grease across there and stop that judder. Okay, it's going to give you a much nicer feeling that you're driving a quality car. How often should you be doing this? Well, you want to be doing this about once a year, and just keeping on top of it. Not only will it help to reduce the judder, but also will take some of the strain away from the motor that powers it as well. Now, while we're here, I want you to have a look at something else, which is these little plastic rods here. Okay, so these are the ones that pop. There we go. This plastic white rod here pops out when you hear that little bang, and that's the bit that goes. And you can buy replacements in metal as well as plastic. So some people go for the metal ones because they figure, well, that cracked. But remember, this is there to protect the mechanism in the car, so it's sacrificial. If this is preferable for this bit to crack, which you can easily get access to, then the other components to break, because that's going to be an expensive job. So when you're replacing these, replace them with just a regular plastic component. At the same time, I'm going to be fixing the little strap that pulls this tourniquet cover in when it goes in, to allow this to sit within the channel over there. So I'm still getting used to this Ian's pointer, but as I said, I'm going to be working on it. I'm going to spray it and make it look like a proper pointer. Brilliant. Thank you so much for watching this video.